Hey friends, this is Atif Well and welcome to the new update on PEPE. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you this down channel that was formed on the daily time frame chart. And after the breakout, the target was here at the top of the channel, approximately at 1089. And you can see that the price has finally hit that target. But here, after this long week of the candlestick, it has confirmed another resistance here at $0.0000119. And from here, from $0.00001 to $0.0001119, we have a complete and very strong resistance on. Previously, we got rejection here. And before that, we got another rejection here. And now recently, the price is trying to break out this resistance on. And this is the second day that it is trying to break it out. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big inverse head and shoulder pattern and this uptrend line, a quite long-term uptrend line support as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for PEPE that I shared in the month of Feb 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 1150% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for PEPE that I shared on 1st of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that PEPE formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart, and this was a complete trade setup. And this was the buying zone starting from 9.3 and goes to $0.0000 and $0.88 and goes to this was the sell target on it 10 and goes to 108, and below 88 was a risk stop loss. Now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very massive reversal from this buying zone, and so far it has rallied almost 1150%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of PEPE, and first of all let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several days, since after 5th of March 2024, it was moving inside this channel. And after testing this strong support here at $0.0000439, $0.000 and $0.439, the price and geared up. And it also tested this quite long-term support, uptrend line support as well. You can see that we had a long spike here, but previously this support had been breaking as a very strong resistance, an uptrend line resistance. We got rejection here and here and here. And now after the breakout, you can see it is flipped into a nice support. And after gearing up, after testing this support, the price and geared up and broke out the resistance of the channel. So far, from this to here, you can see that PEPE has pumped almost 184%. And right now, you can see that it is trying to break out this very long-term resistance on that starts from $0.00001 and goes to $0.0001119. Previously, we got rejection here by this resistance on and here. And recently, you can see that this is the second day that it is trying to break out the resistance, this resistance on. By the way, we have hit the target for the breakout from this channel that I've been telling you in my previous videos. That was here at the top of the channel, approximately at 110. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that previously it was moving inside this very big inverse head and shoulder pattern. And for the past several months, I have been showing you this move, and I've been telling you that once it will be able to break out this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then we can expect a very massive pump. And the technical target for this breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern was here. That was at this long-term resistance of 639 that was previously working as a resistance here in the month of May 2023, on 1st of May 2023. And now you can see it is working as a very nice support. After the breakout, the price line has retested the previous resistance of 639 as a support and geared up. At the same time, we also have this uptrend line support as well that was previously working as a resistance here, and resistance here. And now recently, we have also tested this previous resistance, this uptrend line resistance as a support. And at the same time, the price line has also retested this previous resistance of $0.00000639 as a support and geared up and broke out this resistance of the channel. Therefore, this uptrend line support is very significant, and we need to keep an eye on this support. This can now work as a bull run structure, a long-term bull run structure for PEPE. And if the support will be broken down, then the situation can be a bit critical. So far, so good. The price line has bounced very well. And now we need to break out this resistance zone that starts from $0.00001 and goes to 1119. And once the price line will be able to break out this resistance zone, then this previous resistance zone will be flipped into a nice and long-term support zone. And this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.